Hello everyone, it's Nils Will here. I'm just trying to show you how dirty the exhaust is normally, and what we're trying to do with the water fuel is get rid of all that crud and oil and all the soot and nastiness, which there's my inlet manifold taken off. You see them how greasy it is in there as well. The water should help clean all that out, completely clean that. There's one of them close up. You can see where I've smudged my finger in it. I've also made this Tufnell hard plasticky gaskets instead of the normal inlet manifold. What you can see there is the Tufnell, just cut it to fit, and it's to stop the heat travelling up from the engine into the inlet. Try to keep some of the vapours cool. Obviously, if I was going for a complete GEET setup, I'd have cool vapours. But with this setup at the moment, the Ecopra system, it's like 600, 700 degrees steam, reformed with the hydrogen. So that gets all bolted back on, and what you got there is what I have at the moment, fitted, and it's a lot more powerful and cleaner. This is part of before when I was having it fabricated, I was cutting up the bits and to what I wanted. Oh, it's hygienic for kitchen equipment. The stainless steel, my welder, that's what he does. Hygienic stuff, so it's quite a thick stainless. You see at the bottom there the bubbler and the pipes, it's pipe within a pipe. This is the little bubbler, that's showing it open. A couple of other bits on the bench there, with one I was trying to bodge up with the blue stuff around it to try and I've just blocked the chamber at the moment, part of it. I had two pipes, one to the back of the preheater. It's just a float, you know what I mean? If I could find something a bit simpler than that, or I'm still testing it, so, but it works. I've got a lot more power, so I'm happy about that. And the exhaust is clean, obviously. It's just showing it. I know I showed this picture in my last vid, but you know, it hasn't got to be pretty. It sits in the exhaust, it's just strapped on, it's all airtight and gas tight, and that's all it needs to be. Some of the gas meters have a stainless hose. I think it's only 304, but you can pick them up readily at the scrapyard and fit them together and that. It shows me exhaust to the back of my van. You just see the bubbler there, and right above that is my driver's seat, pretty much just above. You can see my that's the front, to the left is the front of the engine, the van, and the pipes, two pipes going back to the bubbler preheater in my back box. There's the two pipes I was talking about coming off the top of my little pressure valve thing. You just see to the right there's a generator there, slung underneath, and a bit of a wonky exhaust. That will get a GEET when I can get the pipe work. There's my driver's door, just doing a bit of maintenance to it, messing around, just to show you how close it is. A bit better idea of how it is, and the way there's me water container stuck behind the driver's seat, which also has a couple of batteries. You can see the solar charger there, solar controller, and a nice trip fuse what I got. It shows the tap. You see my inverter, the back of my inverter, which I don't tend to use that much anymore. I've got a more efficient setup for powering my laptop. Shows the hole going through. It's got easy, drill a hole, put a little collet around it, and that black pipe's quite flexible, so it's very helpful for me. This is another thing. It's I've got that up the scrapyard. I want to do an oil and water drip chamber. I'll either have that modified as a manifold, exhaust manifold, put 4 pipes in, or leave it as it is. You see it's got fins in. I just need to make a little vapor carburetor or a large one. It's just starting the van, which would be the problem. I'd like to get rid of all my it's 2 inches inlet. I'd like to get rid of my my diesel injectors and the injector pump and run it on vapors and everything. These are some other bits. You have to pause that and have a look. There's for flaring the pipes, and another patent. You must have a look at that patent. Google patent. It's a little project for a mountain bike with a little engine. You just see what I'm doing. I've got to add another piece of frame, which I'm just going to bolt on, put a bit of C-section there, drill the holes and weld it and connect it there, and have a couple of supports. Well, have an happy Christmas, you people out in YouTube land and everywhere. I'll see you on